Hello everyone. Today we are doing from the new additional mathematics book, O levels, CAIE, IGCSE, and this from this book today's topic is exercise 3.2 indices, surds and logarithms. Okay, we have already done 3.1. If you have not seen my video, please go through. In this exercise 3.2 we are going to solve some indices equations, and I have to do not the whole exercise but some special questions. Okay, this line I am doing first of all. uh, okay, solve the following equations. One thing very important here in indices, when we are having equal sign with indices, please remember, like this question, that both the sides we can have the same base, we can make the same bases. Sometimes we cannot make the same bases. We have in that in 3.6 and 3.5 exercise. So in this situation, when we can have the same bases, it's very simple to simplify here. Okay, part a of 1, 3 power 2x. Can you make this 27 as a base of 3? Yes, 3 power 3. In this situation, when you have the same same basis, you can compare the power. Normally students do like this, cancel, but this is the comparison. We compare the powers. Then 2x is equals to 3 and x is equals to 3 upon 2 and x equals to 1.5. That's we have done. Okay, it's very simple. Just what is our target here? Just we have to make the same basis in both the sides, same basis. Like question part C, under root 2 means the power is 1 upon 2. This is already 3x, and this I can make 1 upon 2 power 3. Okay, this 2 and 2 bases are same. 2 power 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 multiplied by 3x is 3 upon 2. Okay, so what I can do, 3x upon 2, and this is 2 power minus 3. Now bases are same, we can compare the powers. Okay, what we can do, 3x plus is upon 2 is equals to minus 3. 2 multiply x is equals to minus 6 upon 3 is minus 2, and that's your answer. Okay, we've done. Part E, this is very simple. I don't want to wait. Okay, this part E is little bit typical. Be careful. This is in all the questions. This part E is little bit difficult, or not M, but I think so. E is little bit difficult. Before E, I would like to do G first. I am leaving the space for E here. Okay. Let me do some other questions. 7 power x square minus 4, and this G part, okay, is equals to 1. This is very important. Like when we have 1 here, whatever base is in left hand side, you can make it same. Like I can write here not 1, I can write 7 power 0 is 1. When you have 10 here, you can write 10 power 0. When you have 5 here, you can write 5 power 0. Like we have the example here. I think so we have one more question here I've seen with 1. Oh, I did not find, but we have the same like question. This whenever you need whatever you can make. Okay, then bases are same. Power will be, we can write x square minus 4 is equals to 0. X square equals to 4. X square then is under root 4, and x is equals to plus minus 2. Please note it down. I have already, like whenever I have this situation, I always write, when question is already given under root 4, you have to give the answer always plus 2. But when the question is given x square is equals to 4, then when you apply the root, you have to write plus minus. Please, this is very important. When root is already given, just write positive answer. This is positive when root is already given. But when we apply the roots, we have to give plus minus. We have done G. I, 3 power, you can write 3 power, I'm just writing 3 power 2x, and I can write 3 power 1 upon 2. So 3 power is 1 upon 2 multiplied with x plus 2, and you can compare the powers. Okay, now part K, I will 2 power x square is equals to this 4. I can make 2 square. 2 square and this square will become 4. So I can write 2. Okay, I am writing in bracket. Okay, no problem. I am writing in bracket 2x minus 1. Then you can compare the power. X square is equals to 4x and minus 4, and then you can simplify. There is no problem. You have to simplify, please, huh? Okay, part M. M, what we can do for is you can make 2 power 2, and then bracket you can write x square minus 6 is equals to this 16 in right hand side. You can make I think so. When can you make it 4 square the 16? That's better, I think so. This is better, I think so. Otherwise you can make it also 2. There is no problem, huh? Okay, 4x square minus 6 and 4 square x plus 1, and now you can cancel and compare the power. You can do. Now moving to this e part. This e part, like we are having 4 and 5. This 4 power x and this is 10 here. There is no way to make this as a base 4 or the base 5, but 10 is factors of 2 and 5. It means I have to think about it. Okay. Can you make 4 as 2 power 2x, and this 5 is already 5 power 2x, and this is 10. Can you make the power is same, so can we write 2 multiplied by 5 in one bracket, the whole power is a power 2, all I have already discussed in 3.1. So 10 power 2x is equals to 10, and when there is no power is always 1. Now you can compare 2x equals to 1 and x is equals to 1 upon 2 means 0.5, and that's we have done. Okay. Add mass, so many things to do, like lengthy questions, and there is so many things to here. Okay, next question I'm moving. Question number 2. Okay. Let's see what we can do here. Question number 2. This question number 2 is okay, but 3 is most important part. We have number of questions seen in past paper questions. After this chapter 3, I would do the whole questions like from the past papers related to this topic, indices, surds and logarithm. This question is question 2, I think so. Just we have to put the value here, y here and x here, and form an equation in this y22 and x9. You have to make 2 equations like question number 3, so I am doing question number 3 first. Question number 3 part A, this is one of the example of simultaneous equations. 5, oh here 1 is here, so what 5 power x, I can write 5 power x into, and wait, cancel this, 5 power x, and this 25 I can make 25 is 5 power 2, and 2y is already there, and this one I can write 5 power 0. Whatever I need, I can make 1 as a base of anything. The 5 power, this is same power will be added, x plus 2 to the is 4y is equals to 5 power 0. 5 cancel, or comparison the powers, so we can write x plus 4y is equals to 0. This is the first equation. Okay. Then we can move to equation number 2 here. 3 power 5x, and then you can write this 9 as a base of 3. 3 power 2y because y is there, and then 9 you can write 1 upon 3 square means you can write 3 power minus 1. 3 power is 5x plus 2y is equals to 3 power minus 1. So comparing the power, the base is the same. 5x plus 2y is equals to minus 1. Like we are having 2 equations, so we can use the simultaneous equations. It's up to you. You can write x is equals to minus 4y, and you can substitute this value here in this equation. So the equation 2 will be 5, x will become minus 4y plus 2y and minus 1, and you can simplify and get the answer minus 20y plus 2y is equals to minus 1. Sorry, this is not minus 1, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, and this is here is 2 because this is 3 power minus 2. Okay, this is minus 18y minus 2 and y is equals to minus 2 upon 18 means 1 upon 9. Okay, y, the value of y is 1 upon 9. Then you can put this value here in this equation. X plus 4y, so 4 is 1 upon 9, y is 1 upon 9, and then 4 upon 9, so x will be equals to minus 4 upon 9, and that's your plan. Okay, now B part, I can just make the equation for you to help you just how we can form two simultaneous equations, and then you can simplify 2. 2 multiplied by 4 will become 2 power 2x, and 32 will become 2 power 5. So 2 power 5 and y is already there. So this 2 power 1 plus 2x and 2 power 5y. So you can write 1 plus 2x is equals to 5y. This is the first equation. Second equation from here, 25, you can make 5 power 3x, and this 5 power 2y is equals to 5 power 4 is 625. So you can make 5 power 3x minus 2y is equals to 5 power 4, and then that 3x minus 2y is equals to 4, and by using these two equations you can do the simultaneous equations. Okay, moving to C part. In C part, 3 power x divided by 3 power 2y is equals to 27 will be 3 power 3, and we have this question in past papers. We have to please work on it because there are two things together simultaneous in indices. So in exams we have the question which has more than one topic. 2y minus and 3 power 3. So this is x minus 2y is equals to 3. This is the first equation. Second equation from here, 4, you can make 2 power 2x is already there, 2, and this will become 4x. 2 power 6y is equals to 2 power minus 2. This is 4. So base is same, power will be added, 4x plus 6y, 2 power minus 2. So 4x plus 6y is equals to minus 2, and by using this you have to use simultaneous equations. Okay, moving to question, we have the 3 we have done. Okay, what I think actually for the examination point of view, this is very important question. Question number 6, question number 7. But like in a school, if you want to submit your homework, you have to do. But according to my opinion, this okay in 5 also. These all 3 questions are similar, and we have to do this 3 questions. Okay, I want to move first question number. Okay, moving to question number 5. And okay, 5 and 6 together I am copying. Like what I taught in my class, I am using the same method. This what is the important things to do. By using the substitution y to x, and this you have to convert. This is like this question number 5. You have to use the method. How can we convert? Okay, question number 5, 3. So it means I have to think about 2 power x. 2 power x. Okay, just one thing. 2 power x is y. So when you have 2 power 2x, this will be always y square. Just note it down. Maybe this will help you. 3. I will break into 2 power x multiply by 2 power minus 1, because indices rule 2 power x, and that will remain same. Now this 2 power x, we can write instead of 2 power x, I can write y, and this minus this divide here, and 2 power x, this is also the same, like we have to write 2 power x is y plus 4. Okay, this is 3y upon 2 is equals to y plus 4, and find the value of x such that, okay, this. So now finally 3y is equals to 2y plus 8. When I shift there, y is equals to only 8. But please, this is the value of y and the requirement the value of x. So I have to apply here since y is equals to 2 power x. What is y? Y is 8. This is 2 power x. What? Remember we have done this. You know the first question we have done? The first question? When the basis we can make the same, we can find the same method I have to use here just to understand this part. 2 power and 2 power x. I can make 2 power 3 and 2 power x. So x is coming 3 and that's your answer. Very simple. Okay, moving to question number 6 part A. Okay, A and B, I think so I should do B. Okay, I'm doing B part. In B part, y is 3 power x. Main thing is to convert in this equation into in terms of y first of all. Okay, remember this part also. The same thing here. When the y is 3x, when the y is 3 power x, then the y squared will be 3 power 2x. This is very important, just know it. Okay, 3 power 2x, first of all I'm converting all the values in the basis of 3. This is 3 power x, this part. Plus 2 means multiply by 3 power 2 and 3 power x and minus 9. Now we are having this thing, this p and this. So what we can do, this is y square, this is only y, into 3 square is 9, this is y and minus 9. We can simplify y square minus 9y is equals to y minus 9. Y square 9y and y shifted left hand side minus 10y and minus 10 is plus 9 equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Okay, we need to make the factors. How can you make the factors? Multiply to get 9 plus to get 10. So factors are y square is equals to, factors are plus to get minus y and minus 9y and plus 9 is already there. Common in first and second to y is common, y minus 1. Minus 9 is common, y minus 1. Y minus 1 and y minus 9 equals to 0. So first value of y is 1, the second value of y is 9. But this is not your result. We are not finding, we are finding the value of x. So what I have to do, I have to apply since. Since y is equals to 3 power x, y is 1. When y is 1, 1 is equals to 3 power x. And y is 9, I will write 9 is equals to 3 power x. Remember, 1 is there. If I need base 3, I will write 3 power 0 is 1 and 3 power is x. So x equals to 0, first value. Second, 3 power 2 is equals to 3 power x and x is equals to 2. I mean, these are the method to find, and this is we have done. And the same thing we have in question number 7. Like in 7, when I copy this question number 7, I think so the most important question we have in the examination, this you will find, and especially with the logarithm. Okay, the first thing we should know that how we can convert, like appropriate substitution. We have 5x and 5 power 2x. So in question number 7 part A, in 7 part A, I have to use let y is equals to 5 power x. So automatically y square will be 5 power 2x. You don't need to write this, but you should know. Okay, part A, 5 power 2x minus 6 5 power x plus 5 equals to 0. Then you can write here what? You can write this 5 is y square minus 6, this is y, and plus 5, and you can make the factors y square minus y minus 5y plus 5 equals to 0. Fact common is y minus 1, 5 is common and y minus 1. Please, why I am solving, there is a reason actually. I know you can do it, there is no problem. But what's the reason behind it, that when the value of y is 1, the value of y is 5, please, I have to apply since. Since, without since I cannot find. Since what was the value? Suppose we have supposed here y is 5x. 5 power x. So I write y is 1 is equals to 5 power x and okay, 5 power 0. So x equals to 0. First thing, this is, I can write 5, y is coming 5 and 5 power x, here this value I'm writing here. When there is no power is 1 and that's 5 time. Okay, this you can suppose in b part, you can suppose y is equals to 2 power x. So y square will be 2 power 2x. The b equation will be what I am observing, y square, because is y 2 power 2x minus 10y plus 16, and that's the equation. And please make the factors and apply since. Please don't forget it. In C part 16 and 4, 16 you can make 4 power 2x. So the best way to suppose is y is equals to 4x and 16 power x will become 4 power 2x, and that is equals to y square, and I think so you can do it now. In this question, the difficult part I found, I think so all are same. I'm doing just E part for your help. 3 power 3 x plus 1, sorry, 3 power 2x plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 10 3 power x. 3 power 2x plus 2 plus 1 and 10 power 3x. This I can divide 3 break into 2x into 3 power 2 plus 1. Please do not do the addition, please. 10 power is 3x. Now you can suppose this is what, y square into 9 is 3 is 9 plus 1 is equals to 10y, and then you can move. This was the whole thing about exercise 3.2. The next exercise we have about the logarithm, and I will discuss. I think so there is no problem. I think so we should not have question number. Okay, we have question number, I think so. Okay, I would like to do question number 9. This is the same thing because we have this type of question in exams. Question number 9, I am not doing all the parts, just to help you. The questions which are very important in examination, I would like to solve those questions. Like question number 9 is also one of the most important parts. Solving this appropriate value, what you can do. Part A I am doing first of all. 8 1 upon, can we write 2 power x here? Because 1 power of anything, 1 power 0 is 1, 1 power x is 1, 1 power y is 1, 1 power 1000 is 1. There's no problem. So I can write this plus 2 is equals to 2 power x. Okay, suppose the let y is equals to 2 power x. Okay, so now what's the result? 8 upon y plus 2 is equals to y. Now in this situation, it's up to you to take the LCM or shift 2 in right hand side and move this y to make a quadratic equation. Y minus 2. 8 is equals to y square, this y will multiply with minus 2y. Y square minus 2y, then I shift minus 8 equals to 0. Okay, making the factors, multiply to get 8 and minus to get 2, 4 into minus 4y and plus 2y, minus 8 equals to 0. 2 common. I'm solving this question, you know the reason why, because I have to apply since. Without since I cannot, because solving means the variable is x, so I have to find the value of x. Y minus 4 and y plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, next part is y is equals to 4 and y is equals to minus 2. This situation, y is 4 here, since I have to apply since. Please don't forget. Since what we have supposed? We have supposed y is 2x. So y is 2 power x and y is 4 2x and 2 power 2, so we can write 2 power 2 and 2 power x is equals to 2. Okay, for this part y is equals to minus 2 is equals to 2 power minus x. Please, sorry, 2 power x. This negative sign means this solution is not possible. So this is also the way to solve it. Okay, moving to other parts. What I think the difficult question is same here. F 2 and 5, we can make the same 10 and 10 power x. So this is the way you can solve it. Okay, I'm just making something like help for you. 2 power 2x is equals to 2 power 8 upon x. Do we have the same basis? Okay, the power will be, we can compare the powers, and then you can have 2x square is equals to 8 and x square is equals to 4 and x is equals to under root 4 and x equals to plus minus 2. Yes, plus minus 2 because I apply the root of that. Sometimes we don't need to suppose 3 power x and 3 power 2x and so on. 4 you can make 2 power 2x and 2 power x you can suppose y and y square and so on. And because I think so, this I have given the concept of how we can solve this question number 9, but when I have the past paper questions I will discuss in detail. Thank you so much and watching. Please subscribe so that you can, and also press the bell icon so that you can receive my next video, because I'm making all the exercise individual question that you don't need to go anywhere in the tuition center, just learn at home, and you can also learn something from the past papers, how we can solve the past papers in particular time. Thank you so much and have a nice day.